Can we recover deleted messages on WhatsApp without backup? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if we can recover deleted messages on WhatsApp without backup. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first up, let's open up our WhatsApp. Then head over to our settings on the bottom right. And after that, let's head over to chats. On chats, you can see chat backup. So we can head over to chat backup and there we can back up our data. So recovering data from WhatsApp message without backup is normally not possible, as WhatsApp does not have a built-in recovery system for deleted chats. Now, if you have Google Drive or iCloud backup that you can use instead of your chat backup from WhatsApp, you can actually use that as well. But even with that, you will need to have a backup. So since there is no built-in recovery and there is also no backup dependency, or there is backup dependency, my bad, and there's also what we call data loss from when we restore from backup. It will rewrite our current chat history and it will just delete our data that we already have. So yeah, normally since we have not backed up any of our data, our data does not get stored or our data does not get saved anywhere else. So if that becomes the case, we cannot actually import data from anywhere. So if we cannot import data from anywhere else, that means that we cannot rewrite this data, this already installed or already having WhatsApp. So if that's the case, we cannot actually recover deleted messages on WhatsApp without backup, since there will be nothing to bring. And yeah, I hope this answers your question, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.